Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online. If you've noticed that a deposit or payment was entered incorrectly, don't worry. QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to review the transaction, open it from the account register, make the needed correction, and save the changes. In this walkthrough, we'll take it step by step so you can follow along comfortably. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the main homepage. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the tools needed to locate the incorrect transaction. Once you're on the homepage, move to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings icon. This menu gives you access to important account and bookkeeping options, including the place where your financial accounts are listed. From the Settings menu, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where QuickBooks stores all of your bank accounts, expense accounts, income accounts, and other financial categories. Since deposits and payments are recorded inside specific accounts, this is the right place to begin searching for the entry that needs to be fixed. In the Chart of Accounts, find the sample account shown in your records, then click View Register. The register allows you to see a list of transactions associated with that account, making it easier to locate the incorrect deposit or payment. Take a moment here to confirm that you're in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple accounts with similar names. After the register opens, double-click the sample account transaction you want to fix. Double-clicking expands the transaction details so you can review what was originally entered. This is the key step that lets you move from simply viewing the transaction to actually updating it. Next, edit the information that needs to be corrected. Depending on the issue, this may involve adjusting the amount, changing the payment or deposit details, or correcting another field in the transaction. It's a good idea to carefully review the full entry before making your changes so you don't accidentally leave another error in place. Once you've finished updating the transaction, click Save. Saving confirms the correction and updates your register with the revised information. After that, your wrong deposit or payment should now be corrected in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it can be helpful to quickly review the register again after saving, just to make sure the updated transaction now reflects the correct details. This helps confirm that your records are accurate and ready for future reporting or reconciliation.